In this video, I am going to talk about promotion and timing of promotion in astrology. I am going to give you a sure shot method through which you can predict when you are about to get your promotion. Alright. And the accuracy level can reach somewhere between 75 to 80%. I can also say 85%. Alright. So generally, conventionally, the approach is that when you go to an astrologer and when you ask him when I will get promotion, the astrologer will look at your horoscope. He will see which lagna you are, which moon sign you are. He will see which particular planet is in your 6th house, which particular planet is ruling your 6th house, and which particular planet is ruling your 10th house or placed in the 10th house. Whenever you will get the dasha or antardasha of that particular planet, the astrologer will predict that, okay, here you have chances of getting promotion, but that's wrong. Trust me, okay. Transits can induce promotion sometimes, not always. Running the dasha or antardasha of the 6th lord, that is the planet ruling the 6th house of job and service in your horoscope, and the 10th lord, the planet ruling your promotion, your bosses, your power, your status and everything, can sometimes show, can sometimes not show. Okay. Why is it showing sometimes? Why is it not showing sometimes? Because only one particular planet is not going through the 12 zodiac signs. There are other planets, there are position, there are angle. Let's say that Saturn is transiting through your 10th house, but Rahu is just coming and touching that Saturn, or Rahu is aspecting that Saturn. Things are going to become a little bit negative because a malefic is aspecting a malefic and it's becoming more malefic. Alright. So the transit connections of the planets, they sometimes promise promotion, they sometimes deny promotion. Because one of my friend, he had a Ketu transit in the 10th house in the sign of Virgo. He's a Sagittarius ascendant, and this Ketu transit is helping him to get promoted because his natal Ketu is well placed in the horoscope. Alright. So these are like 50-50 chances. Okay. Let's go into the nakshatra level. Alright. Let's go and find out with 75 to 80% accuracy when you are going to get your impending promotion. Alright. And it's very simple. Listen carefully. You will be able to do it yourself and it will save your money also. Okay. So it's very simple. You have to download a software called AstroSage. Okay. In this AstroSage software, you have to enter your birth details and you have to generate your horoscope. Alright. Now you have entered your date of birth, time of birth, place of birth, and your horoscope has generated. Okay. Search the options and go to the option called KP Astrology. KP Astrology means Krishnamurti Paddhati, which shows nakshatra activation. Now this KP Astrology is based on the fundamental principle given by Maharishi Parashara that malefic planets give results of all the negatives during the dasha antardasha of its dispositor. So this KP Astrology is a derivative of Brihat Parashar Hora Shastra. Alright. Let's not get into much definitions because it will confuse you. Right. In KP Astrology, you have to go to the page which shows sublords. First sublord, second sublord, third sublord, till that 12th sublord. Okay. So each and every house from first house to 12th house will have a SB sublord. Okay. Now sublord is something like the causative planet or a planet which is controlling or indicating the entire crux of that particular house, like a saransh, like a conclusion. Alright. So this planet alone, the sublord, has got the capacity to indicate or cause an event connected to that particular house. Okay. So simple fundamental basic point, 6th house is job and service. Okay. 10th house is promotion, getting support from your bosses. 11th house is gains. Okay. You have to just simply see which is the sublord of the 6th house, which particular planet is the sublord of the 10th house. because 6th house and 10th house are important for promotion and job change and increments. Okay. Now you have to see the 6th sublord, whichever planet it is, in your horoscope it will be placed in a particular nakshatra, right? Let's say your 6th sublord is Venus. Venus is in Kritika nakshatra, that means Sun is the nakshatra lord of Venus. Similarly, let's say that your 6th sublord is Jupiter. Jupiter is placed in Vishakha nakshatra, so Jupiter is placed in its own nakshatra, alright. So Jupiter is the sublord also and Jupiter is the nakshatra lord also, okay. Similarly, let's say that the 10th sublord, the 10th house is the house of power, position, bosses, benefits from superiors and higher authorities and relationship with higher authorities. 10th sublord will be a particular planet. At times the 6th sublord and the 10th sublord can be the same planet, okay. This 10th sublord will also be placed in the nakshatra of a particular planet, right. So let's say Sun is your 10th sublord, Sun is placed in Ashwini nakshatra, so Ketu is your nakshatra lord of the 10th sublord, Sun, okay. So in this way, take a notebook, write down 6th sublord, this particular planet, this 6th sublord is placed in the nakshatra of this particular planet. So the 6th sublord is this and the nakshatra lord of the 6th sublord is this. Similarly, the 10th sublord is, let's say, Saturn, and Saturn is placed in Anuradha nakshatra. So Saturn is placed in own nakshatra, so Saturn is the 6th sublord, Saturn is the 10th sublord. But let's say Saturn is your 6th sublord and Saturn is placed in Ardhara nakshatra, then Rahu is your 10th sublord, okay. Now, simple thing what you have to do is, you have to see if the 6th sublord and the 10th sublord is indicating good houses which can indicate promotion, okay. So here are the combinations, okay. If the 6th sublord and its nakshatra lord, or the 10th sublord and its nakshatra lord, or both 6th sublord, its nakshatra lord, 10th sublord, its nakshatra lord are indicating, you can see that there is an option called planetary indication. If they are indicating 2nd house of wealth, 6th house of job and service and job change, 7th house of partnership, 10th house of promotion, 11th house of gains and increment, all together 2, 6, 7, 10, 11. Then during the Dasha Antardasha of the 6th sublord or its nakshatra lord, or the 10th sublord or its nakshatra lord, you will get promotion, 80% accuracy. Let's say if all these numbers are not coming, the 6th sublord or its nakshatra lord is showing 2, 6, 10, then also you can have a job change and status increment. If it is indicating 2nd house, 6th house and 11th house, 2nd house is wealth, 6th house is job and service and the money that you get from job and service, 11th house is fulfillment of desires and gains and income, increase in income. So if it's indicating 2, 6, 11, then also you will get a job change or promotion. If it is indicating 6, 11, then also you can get a job change. If it is indicating 2, 7, 10, then job change will not be there, but you can get a promotion in the same job. Because if 6, 10, 11 are coming, 6th house is job, something connected to job and service, 10th house is promotion, 11th house is gain. So if 6 and 11 are coming, job change, increment. If 6 and 10 are coming, job change, promotion, alright. So these are combination. Or let's say the 6th sublord or its nakshatra lord is indicating 6, 11, 6, 10, then also you will get, chances are there that you will get a promotion, okay. Now I have told you the way to find out the 6th sublord and its nakshatra lord, okay. I have given you the way to find out the 6th sublord, its nakshatra lord, the planet which is causative for a job change, the 10th sublord and its nakshatra lord, the planet who is causative for a promotion or a growth in status, right. And these two planets, when will it activate? When will you get a job change, right? Whenever you will run the Dasha, Antardasha, Pratyantardasha, 3 layers, let's consider. So you have to run the Dasha of the 6th sublord and the Antardasha of its nakshatra lord, or vice versa, you have to run the Dasha Antardasha of the nakshatra lord of the 6th sublord and the antardasha or pratyantardasha of the 6th sublord. And also this is the same thing is with the 10th sublord and its nakshatra lord. Okay. So this is sounding confusing, I know. It was confusing for me also. So I will re-explain. Alright. Even simply. You go to KP Astrology or you go to any website that gives this table which shows sublord and nakshatra lord through KP Astrology. Enter your birth details and it will indicate which particular planet is your 6th sublord, that is the planet which is the causative planet for 6th house related matters, and where in which particular planet's nakshatra it has gone. So 6th house sublord and its nakshatra lord, 10th house sublord and its nakshatra lord. You have found both. Okay. Now you have to see indication or promise whether the event is promised or not promised. Okay. Even if you don't see the promise, then also if you see the dasha antardasha, that is if you are running the Mahadasha of any planet, but the antardasha of the 6th sublord is coming and the pratyantardasha of the nakshatra lord of the 6th sublord is coming, then also you can get promotion. Or any Mahadasha is happening, the antardasha of the 10th sublord is happening and the pratyantardasha of the 10th sublord's nakshatra lord is happening, then also you will get promotion. Or the antardasha of the 6th sublord is happening and the pratyantardasha of the 10th sublord is happening, then also you can get promotion. Or the dasha antardasha of the 10th sublord is happening and the antardasha of the 6th sublord is happening, then also you can get promotion. Why? Because you have to see when your 6th house of job and service is connecting with the 10th house of status, growth, power. Alright. And why we are seeing if these planets are indicating 11th house. Okay, 2, 6, second house is wealth, money, savings, 6th house is job, 7th house is partnership, 10th house is status, 11th house is gains. So all these things are important. If the planet is indicating all these things, then you are going to get all these things during the dasha antardasha of the 6th sublord or its nakshatra lord or the 10th sublord or its nakshatra lord. Okay. Now when you time your promotion timing through this conventional method, this approach, the accuracy level increases substantially. Okay. But when you go to the basic approach that you are seeing which particular planet is ruling the 6th house, its dasha antardasha is coming, okay, you can get a job. Or which particular planet is ruling the 10th house, its dasha antardasha is coming, you can get a job. Or let's say the 6th lord is transiting through the 10th house or the 10th lord is transiting through the 6th house, you can get a job. But this is like 30-40% accuracy also you will not get. If you want to be accurate, you have to go to the nakshatras, because nakshatra shows activation of events in your life. It indicates a promise. When I am about to get a house, when can I buy a car, alright, when can I get married. So when you go to the sublords, its nakshatra lords, you see the positive indication, and then when you go to the dasha antardasha and you see the sequence, that is the dasha of sublord and the antardasha of its nakshatra lord, because sublord alone cannot give results. Sublord is placed in a particular nakshatra of a planet. That planet has to activate in dasha antardasha also. Both has to activate, double activation, then only the event will get caused. Alright. So you have to see in your horoscope who is the 6th sublord, which planet's nakshatra the 6th sublord is placed in, the nakshatra lord of the 6th sublord. Similarly, you have to see the 10th sublord and the nakshatra lord of the 10th sublord. You have to see the promise, whether promotion is indicated, promised. Whenever there will be a 2, 6, 10, 11 connection or different possibilities of 2, 6, 10, 11, the chances of getting a job is increased to 80% or getting a promotion is increased to 80%. Alright. So this is what I wanted to give you guys. Very working and practical sutra. This is really going to help you. If you need help to find out your 6th sublord or nakshatra lord, you can send me your details. I'll help you out. So that's it for today. Take care of yourself. Take care of the elderly people and the stray animals. This is Purabs signing off from Purabs Universe. Adios. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat. Vande Mataram.